kind of cool. I got a tree behind me. It's giving me shade from the sun. I'll have to remember this when it gets a little hotter. Oh! I don't know what just happened there. Kinda managed to get it on its skids, but that sucks. I think my tail bushing blew out on me again. It's like it landed right on its skids. It's crazy. See, something's broken though. I think. Nothing. I don't see a bend, but there's something wrong with the tail shaft. Let me see, the blade is broken, definitely. The skids are broken. Frame is in good shape. Let's see. The vertical fin is missing, but what actually caused this whole ordeal, something right here, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's my tail bearing. I just replaced these tail bearings, and these are brand new tail bearings. This is a ABEC-5 tail bearing, and I gotta say, it's only lasted about 30 flights or so, so they're a piece of shit. So I'm gonna definitely be emailing anythingheli.com and letting them know. Let me see. Skids didn't break, but they're all skewed sideways like, and the tubes are just wrecked. So I got some of those, and I got some blades at the house. I really can't be mad for my first crash in what, 570, almost 600 flights, something like that. So I really can't be too mad, but I definitely am pissed off about this, because that bearing, I would have to say, is what caused the crash. These gears all stripped themselves out here in flight, I suppose. Just ate themselves right up. And I've never seen the tail eat itself up while the front isn't perfectly intact. I mean, I didn't strip the front bevel gears, and I didn't strip the main gear, and I didn't strip the power takeoff gear there, that black one. So, and it looks like all the rotor head took the hit really well. The servos seemed to have taken the hit really well. The servo horns didn't break or anything. But the blades are just shot, which is alright because after 600 flights or so, it's probably about time to get some new blades on there anyway, just from wear and tear, because blades can eventually fail on you too. So, I can't, you know, what am I going to cry about? 600 flights and it's still in one piece basically. I mean, the frame, this is a weak point in the frame design right here. And this took an impact for sure. No cracks here. Another weak point is right up here. With the frame stiffener, I don't really have anything to worry about. I'll flip it over. I don't see any crack here on the bottom. My one of my straps that was holding my ESC in broke, but that could have been at any time from vibrations or who knows what.